Watching the people on the bus, dude, that was she's running away.
You need to wash your hair.
Alright, this will be the first picture I take.
That guy goes, this will be the first picture I take.
Ugh.
The little kid's crying.
Strangest. Okay, this is definitely a different thing. I don't know who I'm cheering on.
There's a little giraffe.
Going back in.
He's giving up.
They winning.